Fireworks 2024 Canada Day. Fireworks. There we go. Those are the low ones. We won't be able to see because we're not in behind the church. We're right at the... But that's okay. I like it behind the church because you see them over the water really good. But we didn't. We came here and had something to eat, listened to the music, and we'll cab it home. We walked here, me and Jenny. See, they're better over at the church, eh? You see them better, yeah. Because they go right towards you, and we won't be able to see the low ones. The real low ones, we can see these ones, but... There we go. Zoom her in a little bit. There's the high one. Canada Day! They always got good fireworks here, though. The Canada. We didn't go over the hill. Could have walked over the hill and seen them closer, but I didn't feel like it. Yeah, we can see the low one. Yeah, I didn't think so. Purple. Purple again. Pretty. People still driving. They know they start them at 11 o'clock right now. People still driving. Why didn't they come earlier? No, but they're still driving. They know. Like, I don't know how. I can't figure out people. Already. You're gonna stay here? I'll fold out the blanket after. So I gotta take my purse out of that. It lasted for quite a while. So I filmed them last year too. Yep. Posted them. We got a baby crying over there. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Nice, nice. That was red. These are red. I'm gonna tell him Oilers. Is he saying Oilers? They lost. Or is he saying Pirates? Is he saying Oilers? I mean, they lost. They lost, buddy. Maybe next year. Oh, fireworks, okay. Sounded like he was saying Oilers. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that was cool. Did you see that? 7 minutes. See, they last quite a while. I think last year 20 minutes. I still like it at the church, so. Oh well, next year I'll go over to church. I won't come here. You know, we could stop and get a hamburger somewhere and on the way, and yeah, it's a lot better. Bang, 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 watch me fall down. I'll lean up against you. Buddy walked into my leg on my foot and twisted the back of my leg, my knee. Drunk. Knocked the shoe right off me. Had to be my left. Green. Got some snot green. Another snot green. That was pretty. Too bad it was green. Should have been red and white. Snot green fireworks. Jeez. Oh, here we go. These are like windmills or something. I don't know. Pinwheels, I think they call them. 9 minutes. It's not the grand finale yet. I don't think this is. Pretty though. It's not green, white, and red. Purple. Oh, that was pretty. People still driving. By the time they park, they'll be over. They're still driving. They get here at 11. Kids in the car, twisting their head around, trying to see the fireworks. Jeez. They're still driving. Look at them. Oh, here we go. Is this the grand finale? Might be. 10 minutes? It's usually longer than 10 minutes. Yeah. Oh, pretty. Yeah. No one making any noise. Oh. Oh, here we go. This must be the grand finale. This is it. Yeah, gotta be. Yeah. 11 minutes. The city must have been broke this year because it was 20 minutes last year. It's only 11 and they're almost done. The city was Jenny's laughing at me over here. Where did the taxpayers' money go to? Oh, wow. Oh. Oh. There's our money. The money's showing now. Oh. Here comes some more. Almost 4 minutes. We'll see how broke we are. Oh, oh, another one. Oh, oh, oh my God. Oh, jeez, that was amazing. Oh, another one. Another one. In here and put their friggin' headlights on. Here we go. Now this is what we're talking about right here. This is fireworks now. There we go. I knew the city wasn't that broke. Come on now. Everybody paying taxes up to our U-Day. The least we could do is buy some fireworks, right? We're starving, but we're watching fireworks. Can't buy groceries. Can't afford groceries, but we got our fireworks. Here we go. They closed the food bank. No. We got lots of fireworks. Oh, let's get this over with. It's almost 14 minutes now. Oh, my neck is hurting holding this phone up. my neck is hurting. Oh, here. This might be it. The grand finale. Yeehaw. Let's see if we can put it closer. There we go. We're ready for it. This is the grand finale. Yeah, now they're leaving the car. And it's not even over yet. Jeez. Bang. Bang. Gotta be it. It's almost 15 minutes. Here comes a car. They're almost over there. People. They're driving in now. There's the grand finale. not that broke after all, are we? I thought we were broken. Oh, I gotta get back. Not that broke. Oh, there's one. Now we gotta go find the porta potties. Shouldn't be packed. I think that's it. Okay, so see you guys in the morning.